Hello and welcome to a summary of Introduction to Journalism for 6th grade. For those who don't know, from Intro to Journalism, you can continue on to different types of journalism. If you want to do printed publications, that's with me, Miss Bernard. 7th grade is newspaper, and then 8th grade is yearbook, or you can continue with Mr. Wazani through 7th and 8th grade with broadcast journalism. Your students will learn in Intro to Journalism the meaning of journalism and its purpose, as well as our First Amendment rights, journalistic ethics, parts of a newspaper, different types of news, as well as different types of articles, how to become better at research. I also teach my kids that they shouldn't be afraid of the word research because all it is learning. I teach my kids how to write different types of articles, as well as how to conduct a productive interview, what to do before, during, and after. I also am a huge grammar advocate and enthusiast. I think that grammar is extremely important, and I talk to my kids about why, as journalists, they should know the differences between common grammatical mistakes, such as the differences between there, the yours, and stuff like that. I also teach my kids how to edit for content as well as for grammar, and why peer editing and editing your own work is very important, but editing your own work can be a little tricky, and I teach them how to do that most effectively. So thank you for watching. Please email me if you have any questions.